Oh, hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Tanisha.
My name is Alisha.
And today we're going to be making slime. So the ingredients you will need are glue. We got Elmer's. Make sure it's Elmer's. You need liquid starch right here. This is liquid starch. We put it in a container, in a cup, so it'll be easier.
Yeah.
You need shaving cream, optional if you want your slime to be fluffy. We have some water. We have water right here. And the bowls and stuff you'll need are a bowl and some spoons. So let's begin. So number one, open our glue and add it. Whoa, this is so cool.
I think I need some. Okay.
My mother will help my sister because she's having trouble. Oh my gosh. My mother will add some water in these empty containers, so we can add it, and then after that you'll stir it. Thank you, Mother. Whoa. Okay, let's stir. Whoa, this is so thick. This was thicker than I thought.
Yeah. It looks so cool, guys.
Mommy, can you help me stir a little? Okay, I'm gonna give my bowl to Mom.
Let's put some water.
It's okay, it doesn't matter what you spill, right?
Ooh, I forgot to put that in.
It's okay, we'll do that at the end. So after you add the water, you will add liquid starch on my sister's. Maybe I can stir a little more. It's already looking a little slimy, but liquid starch does the trick. And then for optional, we'll add shaving cream to make it nice and fluffy. Yeah. Oh my god, this is turning out better than I was expecting. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yep.
It's like the notification bell.
And you continue stirring. Alisha will continue stirring because at the end we'll add this.
Look at it, already looks slimy.
Stir more until it doesn't touch the bowl, okay? So my mommy is gonna do it. It looks cute. And Alisha says she wants to add the minion at the end. Mommy, is it fun mixing it?
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Can I mix it too? Huh? Okay.
Get a more liquid starch.
No, I think mine is enough.
Can you help me mix, Mom? Mom, can you help me mix? I'm so excited to play with the guys.
It's so watery.
You're gonna add this glitter to it. I want to make it more pretty by putting this glitter in.
So you gotta start kneading it with your hands. Alright, kids? Knead it with your hands. After that, it is gonna be a little messy. Mom, can you have my spatula? Okay, so you gotta just start kneading with your hands. Whoa. Ooh, yeah. Oh, God.
I want to do it too.
Whoa. Oh, this doesn't even feel like slime, but once we continue stirring it with our hands, then it'll be slime. Just continue.
Hey, it looks like pink poo.
Hey, Ellie. That's inappropriate. My mom's gonna add the shaving cream now. It's blue shaving cream. Our slime might be purple. Oh, God. Ah! And this is a messy project. So, yeah, make sure you use it on the messy surface that you can get it. Oh!
It looks like bird poo.
Oh, wow. It's turning purple. I can't even move the bowl.
Mix it well.
I know. It's turning good. It's turning fluffy. Oh my god, it's turning fluffy. It's turning fluffy. Oh, that smells good because it's my dad's shaving cream, and this shaving cream has a scent, so that's good for us. Whoa. We never thought of the idea of adding shaving cream. This is so... Well, yours is turning out better than mine. Whoa. Whoa! Last year's slime was really sticky, remember, Mommy? Whoa.
You eat the
Okay,
font?
let's put this aside. Whoa! Look, it just drips. Wow! You can make a, look, look. I can make a bubble. Last year I couldn't make a bubble. I was like, whoa. Whoa, they look like there's sprinkles in there. And it's not messy at all. Thanks to the shaving cream. The shaving cream makes it less messy. Last year we didn't add any shaving cream, so that's probably why it wasn't messy. This year it wasn't messy. Last year and this year. 2018 was actually the best. Like 2019 and 2018. My mom has some extra glue. Mine is gonna be a little bit pinker, but Ollie's is more pinker. Mine is more purpley. Drip strong.
You want to see a cool trick, guys?
Mommy, can we put the slime on the table? Thank you. Okay, so get your slime out, Ollie. And this will actually help clean the table a little. Okay. Oh, now it's extra special. Okay, so I'm gonna flat mine out. My dad's gonna be really impressed. Hey!
I'm gonna find a video.
Oh, it looks so
I think I see the video.
Okay, can I do it?
I need to get the
I'll help you. I'll help you.
Okay.
Ollie's is a little bit more stickier than mine, but it is really a good experience.
Mommy's calling.
Oh, look at this. Look. It
And
turned out better.
guys, if you want to make your slime, tell your daddy to buy your slime.
Yeah, if you need to get the ingredients we showed you at the beginning. So if you don't have it, then you better buy it. I hope you guys are all especially staying home safe.
I don't want to make it stop.
Cool. Just dripping. It's so rippy too. That's cool.
I think I
Whoa.
found the
Is it stretchy? Is it stretchy though? That's our question. It's stretchy. It's so stretchy. It's like a hula hoop. Boop, boop, boop.
Oops, I accidentally sticked it. I just
Can you guys spot the minion? Let me know because I can't find mine in my slime. My minion is in the slime, so let me know if you see yours.
That's
What's
actually
this?
mine.
I think I actually found the minion.
Look, Lila!
Ellie, remember the song when you listen to the TV? Ta-ta-ta-pa-ti-fa-ta, ta-ta-ta-pa-ti-fa-ta, ta. And another one is la 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 like it, 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 la la. I like that song, right? Look, I'm just making a hole. Ba, 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 ba.
I used to find it at the TV.
Whoa.
Where's the minion, guys? I think I found it.
Found it?
Look, I see the egg.
Last year and the other years were really wet, and yeah. We used food coloring last year when we didn't try to use it, and it was stainy. And this is Elmer's, so Elmer's are not stainy. And thanks to Elmer's to sponsoring this video too. Cause the glue is from Elmer's. Liquid starch is the key.
Even
And
Steve,
if you
if
don't
you
have
make it
liquid
fluffy.
starch, you can use lots of other, Ollie, do you have a favorite video that you made in our channel? Mine is the slime one, definitely the one we're filming right now. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite gotta be
Yeah.
the slime one.
Ooh. Good. Alright. You think we should end here? Thank you guys for watching our channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Right, Ali?
Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Bye. See you next week. Every week we might post. Alright, guys? Bye.